Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Let's get started. Let's explore the word, where. Where means in or to what place or position. You can use where to inquire about the location or position of something or someone. For example, when searching for an item, asking for directions, or trying to locate a person, you would use where to inquire about their whereabouts. In a sentence, you could say, he asked, "Where is the nearest gas station?" as he needed to refuel his car. Now, repeat after me. Where? Where? Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. Where's the nearest grocery store?
It's just around the corner. I'll show you the way.
Where did you put the car keys?
I left them on the kitchen counter.
Where are my glasses?
They're on the bedside table.
Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall, to your left.
Where is the meeting being held?
It's in the conference room on the second floor.
Where can I find a good restaurant?
There's a nice Italian place downtown.
Where's the nearest ATM?
There's one across the street, next to the bank.
Where did you park the car?
I parked it in the garage.
Where's the nearest train station?
It's a few blocks away. I can walk you there.
Where did you leave your phone?
I left it on the living room couch.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's just outside the building. You can't miss it.
Where is the museum located?
It's in the city center, near the main square.
Where can I find the best coffee in town?
There's a great cafe on Main Street.
Where did you find that book?
I found it on the bookshelf in the study.
Where is the closest hospital?
It's about 10 minutes away, by car.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
There's one across from the supermarket.
Where did you hide the presents?
I hid them in the closet in the spare room.
Where can I buy tickets for the concert?
You can buy them online or at the venue.
Where is the best place to watch the sunset?
The beach is a great spot.
Where did you go on vacation?
We went to Hawaii for 2 weeks.
And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.